In this video, I'll show you how to make a CV using the Canva. So for doing that, you have to open a browser and search in the URL box Canva and then search for it. And here's the website canva.com. You have to tap on it. And after entering the website, you have to log in or sign up to the website. And after that, here is a search box, search your content or canvas. Here you have to just write CV and then just search for it. And here you can see that here are the templates of CV. Just choose one. Here I am choosing this one. And after choosing this CV template, you have to just tap on the customize this template option in the right. And you can see that we can edit the information here are given. So just use these tools in the left side and customize the CV. So here is how you can make a CV using Canva.